In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new project in Odoo. We'll begin from the Odoo home screen. First, select the database you want to work in, and then go to the main dashboard. If your system takes a moment to load, that's completely normal, so just wait until the dashboard is fully visible before continuing. Starting from the correct database is important because any project you create will be saved in that environment. Once the dashboard is ready, click on Project. This will open the Projects area where you can manage existing projects or create a new one from scratch. To start a new project, click on New. A new project pop-up window will appear, and this is where you'll enter the project details. Now begin filling in the required information. The first field to complete is the project name. Enter a clear and recognizable name that makes the project easy to identify later. It's a good idea to use a name that reflects the work, the department, or the client associated with it. Next, populate the customer field. This refers to the specific client, company, or external account linked to the project. Assigning the correct customer helps keep your records organized and makes it easier to track project ownership and related activity. After that, fill in the planned date section. This area defines the project's scheduled timeline, including its expected lifespan, start date, and deadline. Be as accurate as possible here, since these dates can help with planning, workload visibility, and keeping the project on schedule. Then populate the project email field. Enter the email associated with the project, if your setup requires one. This can be useful for communication and project-related correspondence inside your workflow. Make sure the email information is correct before moving forward. Once all the details have been entered, take a moment to review everything carefully. Double-check the project name, customer, planned dates, and email field to make sure all information is accurate and complete. This quick review can help prevent errors and save time later. When you're satisfied with the details, click on Create Project. Odoo will then generate the new project and open it for you. At this point, the project has been successfully created, and you'll be able to continue managing tasks and related activities from the new project page. And that's it. You've now learned how to create a new project in Odoo, from selecting the right database all the way through reviewing the details and creating the project successfully.